Hello everybody, this is Srisha Mutyala and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to customize your Google New Tab. So please, before watching my video, please subscribe, like and share. And now I'm going to tell you. So, do you want to customize your, what do you mean? Your new tab? Now I'm going to tell you how to do it. So, what you need to do is, after you press a new tab, you might find a customize button. Just click on that. If you won't find it, just scroll down and then you might find it for a few laptops. So, when you have customize, you have three things: background, shortcuts, and color and theme. I'm going to show 3 of them. So first, when we go from background, we can use anything we want. So if we can even upload from our device. So if we don't want anything, we can press this one, no background. So I want geometric shapes, and ooh, they are very nice. Wow, this is very nice. Now I already kept it before. No, I want to keep this one. This is so cool. And next, now when you press done, look at it and turn on. Look at your background, it's all blue. But I want to keep. Wait, guys. Now I'm going to show you the next step. Again, you need to press. Even though you don't find the customize button, you might find this pen icon. You need to press that, and you can find shortcuts. So you press shortcuts. In shortcuts, you can choose 2 types of shortcuts. Mainly, shortcuts means like the apps will remain over here. We can add shortcuts. So we can just press this plus button, and I want to add a shortcut, Sweet Robux. So I'm just going to write SWEET, Sweet RBX. So let's just open Sweet RBX. And let me just copy the link. And you can press Ctrl+C. Ctrl+C means copy. So next here you can press Ctrl+V, which means paste. So, sorry. You can just, actually I did wrong. We need to write the name, WEET RBX. Then down you need to keep the link. So now just press done. Wow, it's Sweet Robux. So whenever you just, some people, whoever can't type really fast, even can't really type fast, just I practice a bit, but I'm not really good at typing fast. So if they can't type fast, so they can just open the shortcut and Sweet Robux can be opened from there. Not only Sweet RBX, you can use anything. Now actually my classes are happening in googlemeet.com. So googlemeet.com. So you just take a new tab and press GOOGLE Google Meet.com. So I'm just gonna press Meet Google. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna take my father's mail ID because this is a great shortcut. This is my father's mail ID, and now I'm just gonna copy the link. Wait, what happens? Yeah, Ctrl+C, and you just press add shortcut and Meet. No, I just press Google. Okay, yeah. Now I'm just gonna paste the link. And whenever I need to open home Google Meet, I'm just going to press the link. And guys, next step. Okay, so I'm also going to add a Google Classroom. GOOGLECLASSROOM. Google Classroom, where my teacher always sends me the homework. So this is Google Classroom. I'm just going to press Ctrl+C. And I'm going to add shortcut and press Ctrl+V, and I'm just going to write Google. I'm just telling that Google Classroom means maybe all people might not use it. So in Google Classroom, we can just, the teachers can send us the homework. So here I'm going to write Gmail. is Corona time, and so I just mainly, as we are listening to class virtually, my teacher sends me the Google Meet link in Gmail. So I'm just gonna press Ctrl C and close this tab and press here Ctrl V, Google Meet inbox, and I'm just gonna write Gmail inbox and Gmail, and I'm done. So maybe I don't have any more important things and shortcuts. So this is how you add shortcuts. If you can add more shortcuts, guys. You don't need to worry. And next type of customization is, again, press the customize now and open color and theme. Wait, guys, in shortcuts, we can also change something. If you don't want shortcuts, you can just press hide shortcuts over here. You can see over here, right? You just need to press hide shortcuts. And most of the shortcuts are like, if I always open, Google Classroom and just press this link, done. See? I always open YouTube, I always open SweetRBX, I always open Sesame Street, which is a game, ABC, Poke Online Games, and this is a Google Drive, My Activities, and Google Meet. This is which I oftenly open, but I don't want like that. So if I want my shortcuts, you can just press my shortcuts and done. And if I don't want any shortcuts, we can just open it and done. So there aren't any shortcuts, plain. But I'm just going to change it. I love my shortcuts. So next step is, wait, guys, you can see my cursor, right? Well, it's so white. I don't like white. It's too plain. Maybe some people might like white, but I don't like white. Maybe, so I can just press color and theme. So which color should I choose? Yeah, maybe I'm going to choose this one or this one or yeah, this is a light blue one. Now let me press pink. No. This one. And done. Wow, that's a nice. Guys, have you just seen it? I just changed. You can just see the change over here. Like that we can do, or we can just create our own color by pressing this. So maybe I'm just gonna keep 100% red. And yeah, done. Ugh, I hate this color. Means it's not setting. It's not good for mine. Maybe I can customize and I'm gonna keep it over here and put it over here. Put it over here and put over yeah, this is my favorite color. And just press done. No guys, it isn't good. So I don't really like this. I'm just gonna take pink color. Done. You know what I did? I just rubbed my hands. So this is, guys, and this is the way you need to customize a computer. But 1 minute, guys, I have an idea. I need to tell you something else. If your shortcuts are full, like we can only put 10 shortcuts in each. You can only put 10 shortcuts over here. But if you want to add more, you don't have any space. So now I'm going to tell you another way shortcut, bookmarkers. So how to add is, like I want which one should I choose? Maybe ABC, ABC. So I have this ABC, but imagine that my shortcuts are full. So I can't keep any more shortcuts. I can't delete these also. Just imagine. So if I want to add, if we want to add a shortcut, and we just need to find over here and press the star button, and this is the bookmarker and done. So now the book. Then to close this tab, ABCA will be. You can see ABCA over here. Look, I added as a bookmarker, and look, ABCA. You can just open it and dun-dun-dun-dun. So you can add so many bookmarkers as much as you can. Well, I kept tons of bookmarkers, guys. So I'm just gonna delete some. I'm gonna delete some which I don't want it. Hatching ocean egg? No. secret code, no. Pokey, let's name of geometrical shapes, delete. Google Meet breakdowns, delete. So, I don't know, but if you just press the star button, you'll get it will be saved in your bookmarker. But if you want to delete something, you can just press right click and press delete or cut. If you press cut, you can again you can undo the work. So, thank you for watching my video, Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Let me stop this presentation recording.